start building an image hover interaction, hover over the left-hand menu, then click Interaction. Find the interaction template in the list, dragging and dropping it from the menu onto the page. Click anywhere to close the left menu. Once the interaction appears on the page, hover over it until the content toolbar appears in the top right corner. To edit the interaction, click the pencil icon to open the editor window. Each interaction is pre-populated with information to give you an idea of how that interaction will lay out. You can change the background image by clicking the image icon in the content toolbar at the top of the page. Find the image you want to use, then drag it over the image you wish to replace. One hover point appears in the middle of the page. You can drag this anywhere within the image boundaries. To change the size of the icon, click Resize in the toolbar to circle through 3 different sizes. To change the icon, click the hover point and scroll to the bottom of the text box that appears. Select the icon you want to use. At this point you can update the text that corresponds with the hover point. Once you have made any changes, click the cross in the right corner. Click Add to add further hover points. Follow the previous steps to edit each new hover point that you add. You can change the color of the icons by right-clicking over it to bring up the color picker, then select your chosen color. Once you have added all your hover points, click Save.